In this demo, I'm going to give you a brief overview of how to manage permissions in RailLink's UMLR application. The UMLR application serves as the equipment registry for the railroad industry. This instruction is specifically for UMLR company administrators who have additional administrative functions added to their access so that they can approve and reject permission requests for their company. Company administrators are notified by email when someone has requested UMLR access to their mark. To process these requests, sign in to raillink.com as the company administrator. Look for the Permissions section of the Launchpad. Click on the Manage Permission Requests link. This page may take a minute to load. There might be over 1,000 requests, so it's recommended that you use the filter option to find the requests you're looking for. You can filter on the product name, so typing in UMLR filters it down to over 400, but filtering on a portion of the username will filter it down even further. To approve or reject a request, select one or more requests by clicking inside the checkbox for the appropriate users. Scroll to the bottom. If you need to reject a request, enter a comment and the Reject button will become available. Select Approve or Reject. Pending can be used when you're waiting for some information from the user prior to approving. Company administrators also have the ability to directly add access permissions to users based on their access needs. Typically, this is for SSO access permission for a mark to coworkers or an agent who acts as their administrator. Select Manage User Permissions. Search for and select a user ID. Find UMLR and click the Add button. SSO permissions for UMLR chosen on this page determine the menu options that users can see and use in UMLR. Choose the appropriate role, enter the mark, and click Submit. Users with query access can view the query menu. Users can run queries related to pools, transactions, and equipment characteristics. Maintenance permission enables users to view the menus related to updating equipment data. Permissions to the menu will not give users the right to modify or update equipment records, but they can see these maintenance menu options. In some cases, company administrators may only allow certain users to view maintenance options. Users with company administrator rights have access to all menu items, so that as UMLR company administrators, they can provide users with a variety of options to perform work on behalf of their company. In some cases, users have access to multiple unrelated marks that they have the responsibility to manage. Switch between companies and UMLR by clicking on the mark next to your user ID in the top right corner and select the company. That wraps up our brief overview of how to manage permissions in RailLink's UMLR application. Contact us for more information.